What is up, YouTubians? Yeah, whatever. Maybe not whatever. Yeah, let's just go with it. Anyway, I was hoping that I could get your help today with a problem that I have refueling the airplane. I have to get on a step ladder to the top of the wing carrying this 5-gallon can of MoGas. And it weighs about 35 pounds. I don't like sitting it on top of the wing because it weighs 35 pounds. And then I have to use a jiggle siphon hose to get it from the jug into the tank. So I bought a fuel caddy. And while I like the idea of being able to put 30 gallons of fuel in the caddy, wheeling it over to the airplane and refueling it, I can't stand on top of the ladder holding the hose, which is kind of unruly anyway, and cranking a handle. I also can't put the hose up in the tank, come down off of the ladder, and crank the handle because I don't know how much fuel I have going into the airplane. So I'm sure you guys have all seen these kind of pumps. They're just imported, they're cheap, and they leak. This one leaks really bad, and I've seen the videos where you take the O-ring out of the handle here and replace it, and it fixes the leak in some cases. What I really want is an electric pump. And I've seen a few people rig up their own, and I've seen a lot of pumps that were made for diesel fuel, not a lot made for gasoline because of explosion, a higher volatile fuel. There's a few out there that I've seen. Actually, there's a lot out there that I've seen. I'm going to pay $500 to $700 or more for a pump. So I need your help in finding an affordable, either 12-volt DC or line voltage plug into the wall electric pump that can go on this caddy. Drop in the comments your solutions or send me a link to other solutions that people have had for these type of gas caddies and these type of fuel pumps doing electric pump. Also, another issue that I have is whatever electric pump goes on here has to be able to lift the fuel probably about 7 feet off the ground. So it's got to have enough suction to be able to lift fuel 7, 8 feet max. And we'll make a new video as soon as we try to figure out a solution to this problem. So thank you guys. Have a great day.